Akuma and Yujiro Hanma, the greatest guest character in Tekken history versus the greatest guest character in Tekken future. So let's see who's stronger. But before we begin, I just want to clarify the fact that I will strictly be using the canon versions of both characters. So I won't be using the Asura's Wrath version of Akuma or the Marvel crossovers or the Tekken version or even the Oni form, as Oni is a what if form, not something Akuma canonically has. And this versus battle is strictly gonna be the canon versions of both characters. So with that being said, let's get right into it. Starting off with Yujiro Hanma scaling, Yujiro pretty early on in the series is able to stop a magnitude 6 earthquake, which would scale him to town level, and he has gotten stronger since then, as well as the fact that he has the demon back on top of it. So he's easily above town level, but we don't know exactly by how much. So yeah, I'm just gonna say town level plus. And as for his speed, he's able to react to Baki's attacks very easily, and Baki was able to perform this feat, and according to the calculations, the speed required to achieve this feat is hypersonic. So Yujiro Hanma has town level plus attack potency with hypersonic combat speed. And with that being said, let's see how it fares up against Akuma. Akuma is strong enough to sink an entire island with one punch, man. So that puts his attack potency in the island level ranges. Furthermore is the fact that Akuma has also gotten stronger by time, and Akuma also has a transformation on top of his base form called Shin Akuma. So yeah, he's easily island level plus, probably in the large island level territory, but yeah, at least above regular island level. As for Akuma's speed, Akuma is able to react to the attacks of Sagat, whose speed is calculated to be high hypersonic. Therefore, Akuma will also have high hypersonic speed. Furthermore is the fact that there are some calculations that get his speed up to massively hypersonic plus, but the problem with those calculations is that, at least the ones that I've seen, they use the non-canon character endings, and obviously since I said that this video is gonna be strictly canon focused, therefore I can't really use them. Though some people do believe that the non-canon character ending versions of the characters are still just as strong as the main versions in the game, so they are valid, but still I won't be using it because he doesn't need it in this comparison. So yeah, island level plus attack potency and high hypersonic speed. And as you guys can tell by now, Akuma easily got this. He's stronger, faster, has more range. So yeah, in the battle of the Oni and the Ogre, the winner is Oni-chan. Anyway, if you guys wanna see Bayonetta and Dante clap, I can't show you that, but I did do a versus battle of those characters. You'll be seeing it on the screen. So yeah, I mean, come on, it's Dante and Bayonetta. Don't you just wanna lick it? Wait, no, I meant click.